Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the randomizer on Whatnot using surprise sets to run fun and fair games. First, go to Whatnot on web and create a new show. While setting it up, choose the format as surprise sets. This is where the built-in randomizer works perfectly. Once your show is live, click the Add button in your live shop and select Create a surprise set. Now it's time to configure everything. Add a name, description, and select your shipping profile. You'll see two important options, auto randomize and quick spin. Auto randomize is usually on, which means items are assigned automatically after each sale. If you turn it off, you'll need to randomize manually. Quick spin just controls the animation speed, it doesn't affect fairness. Next, click Manage Products. Add each item with its name, description, and quantity. Once done, click Confirm, then hit Create Surprise Set. Now, during your live show, click Start Auction and run your items. After each successful sale, the system will randomize automatically, or you can trigger it manually if auto randomize is off. And that's it. That's how you use the randomizer on Whatnot like a pro.